So welcome back, guys, to my channel, and this is your boy Lucy Plug. I'm just happy to be here with you and share what I got. So if you gonna listen to me for a moment, just take your time and listen to me what I gotta say, okay? And remember, if you are new to this video, I want you to watch the last video that I had. I just explained a lot of things that you're gonna use them to your advantage when you're coming to the markets, okay? So I don't want my videos to be more than 10 minutes longer because I noticed that people don't like longer videos. So I try and keep it short as possible. So by you see it's 12:36 p.m. -5 UTC. Um, I'm gonna go to 12:46. So you can see here this imbalance here, this volume imbalance here. You must include it when you're annotating this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. We have a lot of buy side imbalances here and sell side inefficiencies here, quite a lot of them. But I want us to quickly go to the 1 hour time frame. Remember, I was, I was, I just, I'm just from home, and I don't know what I'm gonna say. Okay, this is how I've come to understand the markets. I don't have to prepare to say something when I come to the markets. I'm just gonna be real how the market is. So quickly allow me to just introduce my PD arrays. It's gonna be dirty, that's what I say, but I'm just doing this because of you. So just get used to it. It's my roadmap to what I do. So get used to it. We can see here the kind of delivery we had on Wednesday. Quite pre-market because this delivery was at 9 a.m. Jumping into 9 a.m., 10 to 11, and it was aiming at these buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. You can see how the is behaving. You can see how the candles are reaching down deep into it and targeting this liquidity here and this one here. This is a very heavy liquidity pool. This one here, and it's essential for the market to come for it before delivering higher. We also are seeing the market just going higher, and you can see where it closed at. Can you see that? It's beautiful. It's 1 hour CBT one here. So set imbalance by set inefficiency. You can see how the candles are closing just below that consequent encroachment. I say consequent encroachment is the mid of that set imbalance by set inefficiency. Sorry, oh my god. Let me sip something. Mm, it's a CB. It's a CB. It's a CB, bro. And you can see that this new day opening up on Thursday. I like to keep them clean and clear. Yep, that's what I like to do. That's what I like to do. You can see after here the market. Also what I noticed is that what's gonna happen at New York open from 7 to 12 because that's my main trading window, time window. Also happens at 7 p.m. to 10 to 12 p.m. 12 a.m. 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. Sorry. You can see that delivery here is very strong, very strong, and it's quickly raiding into this sell side in sell side liquidity, and this here is a rejection block, 1 hour rejection block. I got the mid threshold of that rejection block of the midpoint of that. You see how the market is just using this to my advantage. I'm just seeing these things, and it's very beautiful. Markets come to this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and the candles kind of wanna know, do some crazy stuff, but we still observing how these weeks are doing. We start delivering lower. Uh, the market doesn't want to wait on this liquidity and immediately leaves it to rebalance this sell side imbalance, waiting on this minor buy side liquidity. We're gonna see that on lower time frame in my next video. So I hope you will be there. And quickly, just out of nowhere, comes to these imbalances here. Remember, new day opening gaps are imbalance. There's a very, very huge imbalance here. You see that? New day opening up Tuesday too. You can see the second man was in February, and you can see how the bodies are doing their thing here. Remember, this is a 60-minute time frame, and immediately it does that. Waiting on this liquidity here, it just wants to deliver higher. It just wants to deliver higher. Remember, we are being guided, we are being told what to do by the charts. We don't do our own stuff. We don't do our own stuff. So the market, if you want to deliver higher on Monday, we're gonna want to see how it's gonna use this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, because we don't have a buy side imbalance here. We have one here. You see that? We have one here. So very small and was used by the market to deliver higher to wait on this liquidity. Again, you can see how price used this threshold of that 1 hour. Remember what we saw? Remember? Rejection block and starts to deliver lower. There's a rejection block. We're gonna wanna see it. We have this buy side liquidity and this side liquidity. So when the market's open, it's gonna open soon. We wanna use that and this one. On Friday we have this buy side delivery at from 7 to 12. On Thursday we have a mixed kind of delivery, but this move here is what I got. It was beautiful. Nothing much here. A lot of drama. So that's it. I'm gonna go through the lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, the 5 minute time frame, and the 1 minute time frame on my next video. So you guys better lock in. You better lock in. Come back to my next video and want to understand what is happening. So thank you for listening. It's your boy Luciplo. Once again, I'm gonna say I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here. I don't want for signals. I don't want for classes. I don't do that shit. I am just giving you this knowledge for free. Thank you.